everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Child of the 80s Project Pan. This is a PANtastic Ladies collab that was created by Jaylon. She is going to be listed down below along with everyone else that has joined in. This is a year-long project, started at the first of the year, ends at the very last day of this year, and it is so much fun. It is all about pop culture from the 80s. There are 40 prompts, had to think of that word, and each one of those prompts, like, you draw randomly, and then you just keep rolling and rolling and rolling. As something is finished, or you met your goal or whatever, you roll that out, and then you randomly pick another number, aka prompt, and then bring a new product in. The whole fun of this is, one, reliving the 80s, which there were some good things in the 80s and some not so good things, but you know how that goes. But you really get to play around with different stuff because you don't know what you're going to get, which is, it's a little scary when you do a lot of projects like me, but it's a lot of fun at the same time. So let's get into this. As of last update, I had finished 8 things already, which is a little crazy. Kind of fits with the whole 80s thing, 8 products. So I'm very happy to say I actually have 2 more empties. I'm going to go through things in the order in which they were originally rolled into this project, which means my very first product is an empty and my very last product is an empty. And everything else in between is going to keep on rolling on. So let's get into this. Let me get into my spreadsheet here, and we will start with the very first thing. Actually, I used it for the last time, the day I am filming this, which is like a week early because I'm not sure when they're going to come and work on my house, and I want to be prepared, so I'm kind of pre-filming a little bit. So the first thing was for number 33, shoulder pads. I'm going to miss this category. It is a product that amplifies, like a mascara, glitter, highlighter, anything that like amplifies whatever you do in there. I chose a mascara because it definitely amplifies my lashes. However, this one, I kind of felt like it was on its last legs for a few days, but the flakes on my cheeks today tell me it's got to go. Like, when I'm done filming, I'm going to go wash my face. It is flaking that bad. It's a fine mascara. It's not my favorite of the Lash Princess mascaras, but I do like it. But I don't play around with flaky mascara at all. It's got to go, and it's not the fault of the mascara. It's just, you know, they all get to that point where they dry out enough that they don't work the same as when you first open it. So that is my first empty. Next was Star Wars, something glittery. I purposely put glitter on today just because I feel like I never wear this product, even though I do like a few times a month. It's not enough if I want to get this done by the end of the year. This is the ColourPop Glitter Gel in After Party. Let's see. Oh, not After Party, Break the Ice. After Party's in a different project. So that's Break the Ice. I have used it a handful of times, but I need to use it a lot more. So that's going to continue on. And my goal is to finish it, which is kind of insane because it's a lot of glitter. The next one is 27, the Smurfs, something blue or with blue packaging. I still haven't touched this lip balm, which I repotted from this thing, this ball, which is obnoxious. And it was pretty full. So there's a lot of product in there, and I put it in more blue packaging. It will get melted down. It just didn't make it on the cut for Franken Friday, so that's going to be probably one of the next ones that I am going to melt down into a lip balm tube. I just, you know, I'm trying to figure out like which projects end first, which ones are in my 200 makeup products that I need to finish this year, and I'm trying to find that balancing act between all of them. So I don't remember if this one is or not, but I knew some of the other ones were, so that's why I started with those. All right, moving on to number 16, the Lost Boys. That is a black or vampy item. I chose this Jessica Nails Phenomenal Oil because, like, even though this isn't the original top, it was very similar to this, but had like a squeezy tube, you know, like a dropper. That's what I'm looking for. It busted. It completely busted, and I used an old nail polish top for a nail polish that was done. My goal is to use this 20 times. So far, I've used it 7. I've only used it once since the last update, which is sad. it's like some of the products in this project I feel like I blow through, and others I feel like I'm just working at a snail's pace. So it's kind of hit or miss with me, and I just had a hair fall out of my head. It's the joys of having too much hair. All right, moving on to number 28. Oh, I forgot to pull that one out. That is Nintendo, something that is fun to play with. It's actually in my makeup basket this week, or, for this 2 weeks, so it was really easy to grab. It is this shadow from the Coastal Scents 88 palette. It is a red. I love it. I love this shadow. I love reds. I really need to do a red look very soon because I like red. And for some reason, red and orange look good on light colored eyes. I don't know why. It just seems to make my eyes pop more. It pulls more of the gray out than it does the green. And sometimes I want my eyes to look more gray, and sometimes I want the green to come out. We'll just see whatever color wants to come out and play. All right, moving on to number 32, which is Valley Girl. Like, totally. That is something that is glossy or shiny, and that is the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. It is a gloss, so it is definitely on the shiny side, and it's a lip gloss kind of thing, so I haven't used it. I've been working on so many other lip products, I haven't touched it. I feel horrible about it. Like, I feel like half the products, more than half the products, I really haven't done much with, and yet I have 2 empties. Go figure. All right, the last one before the empty is number 2, Living on a Prayer. Gotta love Bon Jovi. Something that is almost done or close to being decluttered. This one was almost done. It is not my empty. It is in my current foundation Franken. This is the NYX Pro Foundation Mixer in white. And I am not going to consider this an empty until that Franken that has this in it is completely done. So this is just kind of sitting here on my desk, and we're waiting to get that foundation done so that I can roll something else in. And the last one, it's 24. We want to pump you up. And if you were like a child in the 80s, you remember that. That is something with a pump. I chose this SWLKG, don't know what it stands for, self tanner with the pump on it. It is done. My legs are orange, like my hands are kind of orange looking, but it's done. It is so done. Just call me Oompa Loompa. I'm okay with that. I didn't even weigh it. It was like at this purple line-ish, maybe a little bit less than that, and she out of here. We're not going to miss her. Not even a little bit. All right, so I had to bring 2 new products in, and I did, on my phone, I did a screen record of my numbers, and I'm going to put that on here for you to look. Okay, as you see, I got number 4, which is Like a Virgin. That is a product you've never tried before. And number 30, the Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube, that is something colorful. Wow. I guess it's my first day learning how to speak because I'm having a hard time lately. All right, number 4, Like a Virgin, a product you've never tried. Wow. It's a sample, so it's sealed. I've never obviously used it or opened it, and I never used like the full size or another sample of this. It's L'Oreal Plenitude Excel A Skin Revealing Lotion with SPF 8. It is just a skincare sample. I figured this is an easy use. It's not a conflict for anything else that I have going on because it's like a day's worth, if that. So that was my Like a Virgin product. And for Rubik's Cube, it is something colorful. It's purple. This is the Shea Moisture Strength and Color Care Conditioner. It is for color maintenance, and like it is actually purple. It's not super purple. I almost wish it was more purple to help more with the brassiness. I figure it's colorful. It is purple, and it's a color care and like slate color corrector. So we will see. We will see how that goes. That one I only want to use 5 times. I do have some shampoos and conditioners and other projects, but you know, when you got to roll something in, you got to roll something in. So that's why this one is a usage only. All right, that is everything for this update. Everyone that has joined in, they are going to be listed down below if you want to go check them out. Hoping that Jalon brings this back next year. Hint, hint, hint. And if so, you can jump in on that. I mean, it's not too late if you want to jump in now. You just have to be part of the PANtastic Ladies Facebook group. Because of the 40 prompts, it's not something we can fit in our descriptions. So you would have to be able to access that through the Facebook group. But if you want to join in, we would love to have you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.